welcome back to my channel. I am Shreya and I'm back with another video today. So आज की challenge होने वाली है living on ₹500 for 24 hours. So recently मैंने living on ₹100 for 24 hours challenge की हुई है. So if you haven't watched that video, I'm going to leave the link in the description and also in the iCard above. So do check it out. Let's come back to today's video. Also if you haven't participated in the giveaway, do check out the giveaway video and participate in the giveaway. Now coming back to today's video, आज के वीडियो में हम जो भी कुछ खाने वाले हैं फॉर द एंटायर डे, दैट इज़ फॉर 24 आवर्स, हमें सब कुछ मिला के 500 रुपीज़ के अंदर खाना होगा. सो दैट इज़ द रूल. और दूसरा रूल ये है कि हमें पूरे 500 रुपीज़ जो है वो ख़त्म करने हैं, उसमें कुछ भी बचना नहीं चाहिए. सो दैट इज़ अनदर चैलेंजिंग थिंग. So today's challenge is going to be fun challenge. I had such fun with the 100 rupees challenge and 500 is going to be more fun. So right now it's morning time, 10:30 बजे है. So we will have our breakfast. सो मोस्टली 500 रुपीज़ है, तो हर मील का हम अप्रॉक्सीमेटली बजट जो होना चाहिए वो होगा अराउंड ₹100. रफ आइडिया, थोड़ा ऊपर नीचे चलेगा. सो लेट्स सी व्हाट वी कैन हैव फॉर ब्रेकफास्ट. सो लेट्स गो. ओके यू गाइज, आई एम बैक आफ्टर सर्चिंग अ बिट. तो ब्रेकफास्ट तो हमें मिल चुका है. सो ब्रेकफास्ट वॉज ईजी टू फाइंड. सो देखते हैं मैंने ब्रेकफास्ट में क्या लिया है. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल मॉर्निंग टाइम है तो मुझे कुछ ड्रिंक वगैरह चाहिए था, समथिंग टू ड्रिंक. सो व्हाट आई हैव गॉट इज आई हैव गॉट दिस बॉटल ऑफ ऑरिक. सो दिस इज हाउ इट लुक्स लाइक. ये एक हेल्दी ड्रिंक है, थोड़ा न्यूट्रिशनल है. इसमें कोकोनट वाटर और भी सारे हर्ब्स और वो सब मिक्स है. और ये इनकी फ्लेवर जो है वो वेलनेस वाली है. इसमें बहुत सारे फ्लेवर्स आते हैं, स्किन वाला है, हेयर वाला है. आई हैव ट्राइड दैट. सो इट्स गुड. शुगर नहीं होती है इसमें और प्रिजर्वेटिव्स भी नहीं होते हैं. सो हेल्दी इन दैट मैनर. सो या आई एम गोइंग टू हैव दिस. दिस कॉस्ट मी अराउंड ₹80 if I am not wrong. Let me see. Where's the price? Okay, yeah, so this bottle is for 80 rupees. So this is the color of the drink. I'll show you when I drink it. So this one costed me 80 rupees. और सिर्फ इससे तो चलेगा नहीं, obviously we want to eat something. So what I have ordered for is I have ordered simple bread and butter because और कुछ मुझे खाना नहीं था, लाइट रखना था ब्रेकफास्ट क्योंकि पूरा दिन खाना ही है फिर. So why not? So I got this two bread and butter. Like basically there are 4 breads. I've got 4 slices. So this costed me around 30. So making a total 80 plus 30, 110, which is like around our budget. So 110 में मुझे दोनों चीज़ मिल गई है. So we are going to do our breakfast. So very sorted breakfast and very simple. So yeah, let's have our breakfast. So first obviously I'm gonna have bread and butter. It's just simple bread and butter, no spices, nothing. Sadi, now I'm gonna have this Oric. So the taste of this one is good. I have actually tried other flavors. This flavor I am trying for the first time. So it's good. Like, okay, it's a bit tangy and it's tasty. Last time जो मेरा flavor था वो अच्छा था, but because there was no sugar थोड़ा bland लग रहा था. But this time it's good. So okay, guys, I'm gonna finish this breakfast. And this is enough like for breakfast. Okay you guys, so breakfast is done. I am quite full. Now I'll see you guys when I eat something next. Probably it's gonna be lunch, of course. Beach mein I don't think I'm gonna eat anything. So I'll see you guys during lunch time. हाय गाइस, so अब बज रहा है दोपहर के 1 और आई एम वेरी हंग्री. सो हमें कुछ खाना है. कुछ क्या, वी हैव टू ईट आवर लंच. सो लंच का बजट भी आई हैव केप्ट इट अप्रोक्सीमेटली 100-120 बिकॉज ब्रेकफास्ट का ही 110 हो गया था. सो लंच में वी कैन अलाउ थोड़ा बहुत. सो रफ बजट इज़ 100 बिकॉज तो ही इक्वल डिविजन होगा. सो या let's see what we can get for lunch under 100 or approximately near 100. So let's see. I don't have any idea like what I'm gonna have for lunch because under 100 and lunch me I don't want to eat like pizza or anything heavy like that. I want proper lunch जो lunch में खा सकते हैं वैसा I want. So let's see what we can get for like 100-120. Okay you guys, so मुझे मिल गया है हमारा लंच और वो भी प्रॉपर लंच मिला है हमें. So can you guess what the lunch is? Let me know in the comments if you know what the lunch is gonna be. So let me tell you, for lunch I have got guys, so this is our lunch plate. It's so huge I'm not able to even carry. This is our lunch plate. Okay, so पहले तो let me keep this छाछ, otherwise I'm gonna spill this. So first of all we have buttermilk. Okay, so after buttermilk what we have is we have got paneer tikka gravy wala, then we have papad, we have paratha, and we have some onions right here. So basically we have got a proper Punjabi dish for lunch and this costed me 120. 120 mein I got everything. I got paneer tikka, I've got papad, I've got paratha, onion, and one glass full of buttermilk. Gonna be our lunch. I love Punjabi food, so I'm gonna have this. And that paneer tikka looks so yum. I'm a big fan of paneer tikka and I always eat paneer tikka when I have option of Punjabi, you know. It's hot, so papad I love. Now I'm going to finish all of these things and I'll see you guys later because it is going to take time because it's a heavy dish. It's a heavy Punjabi dish, so it will take some time. Let me just have one more bite of it. It's yum. And I'll see you guys once I complete my lunch. Hi guys. Oops. Yeah, so lunch though I have done and I am super full. The Punjabi was amazing. Paratha had lot of butter and I'm feeling so sleepy because it was so heavy. So now I just want to have a big nap. So अब मैं जा रही हूँ सोने. I'll see you guys in the evening. Hi guys, so I just woke up, had a very good nap. So it's around 6:30 right now and I need to have an evening snack. भूख बिल्कुल नहीं है but we have to complete 500 rupees, so that's why I have to have a snack which would be sort of heavy. तो अभी हमारे पास ऑलमोस्ट 2.5 मील के रुपीस बाकी हुए हैं. उस हिसाब से हमें स्नैक्स डिसाइड करने हैं. सो मैंने ऑलरेडी लेकर रखे हैं स्नैक्स. तो स्नैक्स में पहली चीज़ जो हम खा रहे हैं वो है फ्रूट में कीवी. आई गॉट दिस कीवी. में नहीं चलेगा. सेकेंड थिंग दैट आई गॉट इज दिस बोल ऑफ पास्ता. नाउ पास्ता मैं घर पे भी आई फ्रीक्वेंटली ईट. This pasta is basically very bland, like I mean it's just pasta and cheese, no veggies as such. एक तो यहाँ पर वहाँ capsicum है. Usually when I make pasta I make sure that I use this capsicum and corns. Corn ठीक है चलो कोई बात, I skip, but capsicum I add in good amount because एक वही होता है जिससे फ्लेवर आता है. अदरवाइज इट्स जस्ट चीज़ एंड पास्ता. लेट्स जस्ट हैव इट एंड इट्स ऑलमोस्ट लाइक होमली पास्ता. Is like not melted properly, maybe that's why it's you know, very bland. It's not so cheesy, maybe because I'm you know, tasting from the upper part. So okay, it's good, like it's okay. I'll complete this pasta, I'll eat the kiwi, and I'll see you guys again because I'll take so much time to finish this. So yeah, also again, this is heavy, so I'll see you guys later. Guys, so evening snack तो खा लिया, but I think I forgot to mention the price, so मैं बता देती हूँ if I forgot. कीवी था जो वो 30 रुपीज़ का था, और पास्ता जो थे वो मुझे 80 रुपीज़ के मिले. वाइट थे इसीलिए इट वॉज अराउंड 80, एंड क्वांटिटी के हिसाब से भी लाइक देयर वाज अ लॉट ऑफ पास्ता इन इट. सो या, that was the total price, 80 and 30, so 110 again for evening snacks. So yeah, hi guys, so अब बज रहे हैं रात के 8:30, which means it's our dinner time. So dinner के लिए हम क्या खाने वाले हैं, because I usually love to have tasty dinner, cheesy, tasty, spicy. That is my type for dinner. But I am not going to eat pizza or anything because I don't think, because lunch भी इतना heavy था. I want to eat something tasty yet a bit light. So let's see. Plus we have a budget to follow, so what can I get in that budget? Also we have to complete 500 rupees, so that is going to be a challenge. So let's see what we get for dinner. Hi guys, so मुझे यहाँ पे देख के you might have already understood dinner मिल चुका है हमें. What I have got is something so tasty and it's my favorite. We have got dosa for dinner. So basically we have got this dosa. This is I've got a filling मतलब अलग से. We have this orange chutney that we get. Can you see? Yeah. We have green chutney, we have sambar. I love sambar, and this is super thick, yeah. It's yum. Dosa is also buttered dosa, and I just love this. So it's crispy. I love it. I ordered for like normal dosa. I didn't go for like bigger 4 feet 6 feet dosas. Like, you know, I went for regular size because I knew I had a heavy lunch. So dosa I wanted to have like thoda light, and plus we have a lot of these things. Sambar I love a lot, so I'm going to eat a lot of sambar. Yeah, one thing which I just forgot to tell you, the price of this one. So we got this for 150 rupees, which is like okay because we get a lot of chutneys and fillings in it. So now we're going to eat this.
The orange chutney is just yum. I usually don't eat dosa with filling outside, but since we have got this at like we have bought this one, so we are packing all this. If we go outside and eat there and there, we get filling wala dosa, but here it's not possible to carry the filling wala dosa, so we have got it separate. I'm going to finish this. I'm going to enjoy this a lot.
Hey guys, so it's around 10:30 and dinner was so fulfilling. Like, I'm not at all hungry right now, but dosa we got it for 150 rupees. So now we are left with only 10 rupees because the total of all the food that we had until now is for 90 rupees, and now we have to eat something for 10 rupees. So what I've done is we are going to eat a dessert for this 10 rupees, and we are also going to end this challenge after having that. So let's see what the dessert is. Okay you guys, so what I have got is I have got this box of dark fantasy. So this costed me 30 rupees, but our budget is only 10 rupees. So inside this we get 6 packs of cookies. So if we do the maths, one pack cost us 5 rupees. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to eat 2 packs of these cookies. So total price will be 10, and we will be done with this challenge. So let's just eat this. I love dark fantasy, so ate 2 dark fantasies, and we are done with this challenge as we completed 500 rupees exact. So yeah, that was all about today's living on rupees 500 for 24 hours challenge, and I hope you guys would have loved it. So do not forget to check out my other food challenges. I'll leave the link in the description, and that was about today's video. I'll see you in my next video.